Hello, I, Sakshi Sharma, welcome you all on the behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society. Today, I will tell you about the process through which you can get the information regarding National Education Policy 2020, which comes under LMS with the help of our course. Let's start. First of all, go to the Play Store and search ZIIEI Innovative Pathshaala app and install it. After the installation, open the app. In the application, you will have to enter your mobile number to get registered. After the registration, a paper will appear on which you'll have to choose and update the board, class and the subject as per your requirement. After this, you will see an option Find Content, through which you have to go to the home page and click on LMS. If you already registered, then you can skip this. If you are a new user, then the page with the options My Course, Recommended, Complete and Available will appear like this as shown on the screen. If you have already registered, then the page with the same option will appear as shown on the screen. After this, you will see the options of language and type. Choose the language as per your convenience and type will be Teacher Self-Development Program. Then click on Search. Then you will see a page as shown on the screen in which you will have to enroll and click on OK. Now you have to go back to My Course option and you will see a page as displayed on the screen. Then click on Launch Course button. Now you can start your course. At the first place, a brief introduction of the course is given. After that, you will see a page on which 14 modules are given. Click on Start Reading option on Module 1. Then you will see 6 options regarding the module, which are: first is the introduction, in which you will get a brief idea of the module. Then pre-assessment, in which you will have to answer some questions related to the module. Then coming to the visual material, you will get the detailed knowledge about the module with the help of a video. To have a better understanding of the module, you can use the reading material option. Then you will play an interesting game based on the module. At the end, you will be able to assess your knowledge with the help of assessment option provided to you. After completing all the 14 modules, you can assess your knowledge by clicking on the course assessment option. After doing the assessment, you will get a feedback form regarding the course. After completing the feedback form, you can download the certificate of your course and later get a notification on your registered mobile number. That is all for today's video. Thank you for watching it.